Hi guys, welcome to the cozy seated yoga practice. Feel free to put on something cozy to enhance your mood while practicing yoga. And then find the most comfortable seated position in the center of your mat. Find your spine nice and tall and shoulders relaxed. And now bring both palms onto your chest and start to feel that warmth and love from your own heart. And then from here, we're gonna go into our gentle neck stretch. So be super mindful and slow. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, drop your right ear towards your right shoulder and your mouth. And then inhale, come back through center. Exhale to the other side. So drop your left ear over to your left side and your mouth. And then inhale, come back to center. And then exhale out. And then start to lift your gaze towards the sky and press your palms down. And then as you exhale, bring your chin closer towards your collarbones. Feel the back of your neck stretch and also your upper back areas. And then inhale, bring your head back to center, facing forward. Beautiful. And now as you inhale, open your arms out. Turn your palms facing up towards the sky. And open your fingers nice and wide. Take a deep breath in. Start to lift your arms all the way up above your head. And then as you exhale, bring your hands at your heart center into prayer. And we'll do this one more time. Inhale, big breath in. Circle the arms out and all the way up. Rise up and shine. And now, as you exhale, twist your toes over to your right, bringing left hand onto your right leg or knee, and right hand behind your back. Take a deep breath in, lengthen through the spine. As you exhale, twist a little bit deeper, starting from your core and your chest and your head. Relax your shoulders and keep breathing nice and easy. And make your gaze super sweet and soft. Inhale, come back through center, arms up overhead. As you exhale, twist to your left this time. Big breath in, lengthen the spine, get taller. As you exhale, twist to your left and your mouth. Maybe you can peel your left shoulder a little bit more, but do not force too much. On your next inhalation, bring your body back to center, arms up overhead. As you exhale, bring your hands at your heart center into prayer. And now go ahead, place your hands in front of your body and open your fingers nice and wide. Take a deep breath in, lengthen the spine. As you exhale, fold over in your mouth. You can come on down onto your palms or onto your elbows. Bring your hands into prayer. And we're gonna stay here for a couple of more breaths. Feeling your back body and also feel the calm inside you. Big breath in. As you exhale, let something go. And one more beautiful, nourishing breath in. As you exhale, sigh it out. And then on your next inhalation, slowly curl your torso all the way up. As you exhale, relax your shoulders down. Beautiful. We're gonna go into our right inner hamstring stretch with your side bend stretch. So extend your right leg up, flex your right toes, and place your right hand onto your right leg anywhere you feel the most comfortable. And then take a deep breath in, reach your left up all the way up towards the sky. As you exhale, lean over to your right and your mouth. Try to open your heart to the front as much as you can. Maybe turn your torso towards the sky a little bit more and left hip grounded. And breathe in and out through your nose. Inhale, come back up to center. As you exhale, left hand comes down. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. So extend your left leg out. Bring your right hip closer to your left inner thigh. And flex your left toes. Left hand onto your left leg. Take a deep breath in. Reach your right arm up towards the sky. As you exhale, lean over to your left and your mount. Feeling your hamstring and your right side body stretch. Open your heart to the front, maybe slightly up. And the right hip grounded. And breathe, nice and easy. Relax your face, relax your jaw, and relax your heart. Beautiful. And then on your next inhale, slowly bring your body all the way up back to center. And then as you exhale, bring your right hand all the way down. And now go ahead, bring your feet out in front of your body, nice and flat on your mat, a little bit wider than hip distance. Hands behind your back. And then take a deep breath in. As you exhale, lower your knees over to the left. Inhale, come on back to the center. Exhale, drop both the knees over to the right. And do this a couple of more times at your own pace, feeling your hips. And relax your face. And find some joy within you. Beautiful. Come back to center. And then slowly find your way down onto your hands and knees. So your hands underneath your shoulders and your knees underneath your hips. And start to rock your hips from side to side several times, feeling those glutes and those hips. Beautiful. And now come back to center. And now walk your hands forward, maybe a couple of inches or so. And then start to shift your body to the left as you inhale and come forward. And then as you exhale to the right and come down onto your child. And do this one more time to your left. Find your own speed and rhythm. Child's pose. And now we're going to switch sides. Inhale to the right and come forward. Exhale to the left and child pose. And one more time to your right. Beautiful. Come back to child's pose and open your knees wide apart and bring your forehead all the way down to your mat. Big toes come to touch. And now bring your hands into prayer and then lift your hands all the way up above your head and towards the back of your heart to feel the beautiful stretches in your triceps and your armpits. And then lower your palms all the way back down and slowly curl your torso all the way up to your seated pose. Nice. Relax your shoulders down as you exhale. And I'm gonna meet in the center of your mat. And bend your knees, your feet nice and flat on your mat. I'm gonna go into our seated cats and cows. So place your hands onto your shins, spine nice and long. Take a deep breath in. Start to pull your heart forward and gaze up. As you exhale, round through your spine, chin to chest, and pull your core in. Inhale, open your heart forward. As you exhale, round through your spine and slightly lean back, chin to chest. Inhale, open your heart, gaze up. As you exhale, go into your cat pose, chin to chest. Beautiful. Big breath in, heart forward, slightly gaze up. As you exhale, lean backward, chin to chest. On your next inhale, come back to center and open your knees wide apart as you bring the soles of your feet together in front of your body to Baddha butterfly pose. And grab your ankles with your hands and relax your shoulders. Take a deep breath in, lengthen the spine. As you exhale, fold over and then place your forearms inside of your legs. And you're gonna stay here for a couple of more breaths, feeling cozy and calm and relaxed. Keep breathing, nice and easy, sweet and calm. Beautiful. On your next inhalation, slowly curl your torso all the way up. And then as you exhale, relax your shoulders. Bring your left leg in front of your body on the bottom with the knee bent, and then place your right leg on top. And then make sure your knees are in one straight line. If that's not happening, that's totally okay. And place your hands onto your feet. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, fold over any amount, feeling those hips. But make sure your sitting bones are still grounded or close to the earth. And breathe in, and then breathe it out. And then slowly curl your toes all the way up. And then relax your shoulders down. And then second side. So right leg in front of your body on the bottom, and place your left leg on top of your right. Sitting bones grounded, spine nice and long. Your knees in one straight line if that's possible. Hands onto your feet. Inhale, lengthen. As you exhale, fold over any amount. Then stay here with compassion and patience to yourself. Inhale. And then exhale out. Sigh it out. Beautiful. And slowly curl your torso all the way up as you inhale. And then relax your shoulders down as you exhale. And then uncross your legs and extend your legs out in front of your body, hands behind your back. And start to shake out your legs however you want. Nice. Come back to center. And now find your way to your easy seated pose and hands at your heart center into prayer. And allow your eyes to close down. And we're gonna stay here for a couple of more breaths, feeling our body, our breath, our mind, and our soul. And I thank you so much for practicing yoga with me today. And I hope you find this video cozy and helpful. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, Namaste.